Want to learn how to sell CRM solutions using Vendasta? You're in the right place. This platform makes it incredibly easy to sell and manage customer relationships while providing a full suite of tools that businesses love. Stay tuned to discover how to sell CRM solutions using Vendasta, plus a way to try the software for free with our exclusive bonus. Now, if you've been looking for a simple, effective solution to help businesses manage their client relationships, Vendasta could be your go-to. What's amazing about Vendasta is that it not only provides CRM tools, but also integrates sales, marketing, and customer support tools to really boost any business's customer success efforts. Next thing, Vendasta allows you to resell its CRM solution as your own, meaning you get to provide a branded, white label experience for your clients. This makes it a perfect opportunity for agencies, resellers, and anyone looking to add CRM solutions to their product lineup without having to build the software themselves. The fourth thing, Vendasta CRM system is packed with automation features that save time and improve efficiency. You can automate follow-ups, track interactions, and manage your client database, all within one platform. This means not only are you selling a solution, but you're offering something that will really improve the bottom line for your clients. Next up, the Vendasta platform is also very scalable. Whether your client is a small business or a larger enterprise, Vendasta has the flexibility to grow with them. You can customize it to suit the specific needs of each client. Offering a tailored solution like this makes it easier for businesses to see the value you're offering. The next thing, one of the strongest features of Vendasta CRM solution is its integrations. Vendasta integrates with a ton of third-party apps and tools. From email marketing software to e-commerce platforms, this means businesses won't have to change everything they're already using. Vendasta can simply plug in and work seamlessly with their current tools. The sixth thing, let's talk about reporting and analytics. With Vendasta, you can provide your clients with detailed reports that show the performance of their CRM activities. This transparency makes your service even more valuable, as businesses love seeing measurable results. Now, if you're wondering how you can sell this effectively, it's simple. Start by identifying businesses that can benefit from CRM tools. Small to medium-sized businesses that need a better way to organize customer data are great candidates. Once you introduce them to the power of Vendasta, you can offer a demo, highlighting all the features we just discussed. You're essentially offering them a tool that will save time, increase efficiency, and help grow their business. Finally, remember that Vendasta is not just for CRM solutions. It's a full platform. The opportunity to resell additional tools like reputation management, marketing automation, and more is right at your fingertips. This gives you the ability to offer complete digital solutions to your clients, adding more value and boosting your revenue. And here's the best part. You can try Vendasta completely
Free by clicking the link below. That's right, get an exclusive extended trial with all the features so you can see exactly how Vendasta can help you sell CRM solutions to your clients. Don't miss out on this chance to grow your business with a powerful platform.